Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create viral YouTube titles and SEO friendly rankable YouTube title using AI. So for this you have to actually choose specific topics, your video topics. Let's say in this case, just let me show you an example here on the desktop. You can see how to create database using AI. So this is my topic, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go to the I will go to the chatgpt.com, okay, and then here I'm going to actually paste the prompt, the video titles or video topic. So the topic is how to generate database, right? Database table. So this is my table using AI, okay. So then here I will say this is my video topic, need a viral and searchable SEO friendly title for this video. Think yourself Dhruv Brathe or any of your favorite YouTuber title, okay. So Dhruv Brathe, and make a title for this. Now we'll wait for this and then it will generate us title. Here you can see generate any database table with AI in seconds, no coding needed. How to create MySQL database table using AI, beginner friendly. Now from here, how you can understand that which one will work for you. So either you can go with Google Trends, okay. So go there. Now you can click here explore, and you have to actually add the search term. So go back here in ChatGPT, and from here you can select any of the title you like most, okay. So maybe I will go with this one. I will copy this and then I will select explore here and I will paste it here, okay. From here I will choose the country, my targeted location country. Let's say I want to make video for USA audience, so I will actually select here USA, okay. If you are targeting Indian audience, you can select Indian audience. I am from Bangladesh, and just for the example I will actually select Bangladesh here. Then I will select past month, not more than month. I will select month, and then I will select YouTube search. Okay, then I will wait for it. Here you can see that's it. Now I will actually select here and hit enter, okay. And here you can see in March 13 it got at least 100, okay. So I will actually I will keep it as my one of my favorite title. So I'll paste it here, or maybe I can actually take a note, okay, with text editor or notes or any other, if you're from Windows, Notepad we have. So just paste the title here. Basically you have to select some title from here, and you have to check the search intent, how many people actually search it. So if it is more than 100, you can actually select this. So then you can choose the title which one you actually want to use. That's it. And then you just have to use this in your video title. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching this video.